It's exam time, and it's a bit stressful. But if you make stress relievers, you'll be alright. A big squishy cupcake, mini slimes, teeny maracas, and a huge donut. Choose the stress reliever of your favorite size and color. Redhead is under too much stress. She's rushing into everything around while preparing for her exam on the internet. Don't run into a tree. Sit quietly on a bench and pull yourself together. It's great she's holding a little squishy cupcake in her fingers. Print out 2 pictures of the front and the back sides of a mini cupcake. Color the pictures and cut them out. Attach clear tape. Cut it across the back picture outline. Attach the 2 halves of the cupcake to each other, folding the tape from the front to the back. Do not tape the bottom. Cut a thin sponge to fit in the shape and tuck it in the cupcake. This baby cupcake can be the best accessory for any phone. It calms me down at once, and the exam does not seem to be so difficult now, and studying doesn't make me nervous anymore. The bigger the muffin, the less the stress. Apply brown toner to a sponge. Use gloves while working to protect your hands from being colored. Put the sponge in water, spreading the paint evenly. Wait until dry. Attach 4 identical sponges, 2 at a time, and cut out a muffin shape. Make soft clay glaze. Attach some cotton on top. It looks like whipped cream. Make a cherry from air-dry clay. Shape a stalk hole. Put in a piece of wire. Cover the stalk with the air-dry clay and fasten it to the cotton top. Tie a ribbon around the muffin and hot glue. You can't be afraid of the stress with such a big muffin. You can squeeze and crumple it. The only problem is that my friend wants it too, and she swipes my stress sweet. I will have to follow her around the entire park. So what? Active jogging helps produce endorphins, reducing the stress. So after such a workout, and the soft muffin will get much quieter. What is my friend May thinking about? I bet she's not thinking about studying. She is more interested in how she should do her eye makeup for the test. And I have already trained my biceps using heavy books. I need to revise a lot of things before the test. May is completely calm. She doesn't want to study. This amount of stress doesn't look good on her face because she has a mini squishy which calms her down. Here, try it. Cut out 2 identical triangles from a makeup sponge. Add 1 more out from a darker sponge. This is a cream filling for the cake. Attach all the layers. Put some embellishments on top. Redhead takes the mini cake into her hands. It's so nice and soft, but I won't let anything or anybody distract me from studying. There will be no questions about stress relievers at the exam. If the squishy cake doesn't help, we will use another stress reliever. I will put mini slimes in a shiny box for my friend. Cover a metallic box with acrylic paint. Apply white glue using a heart stencil and sprinkle it with glitter. We will need a few mini paint containers. Prepare colorful mini slimes. Watch the step-by-step instruction of how to make them in our previous videos. Put the slimes into the containers and place them in the box. Redhead takes the baby slimes out of the containers. They are so cute! My fingers calm down immediately because it's so satisfying to pull the slime into different directions, and they do not take up a lot of space. Our life has been boring, right until a huge soft donut appeared in it. Work in a well-ventilated room wearing a respirator. Pour some vegetable oil in water. Add a few drops of flavoring, we use vanilla, and squeeze out clear sealant. Mix it thoroughly. Put on gloves, add acrylic paint, and shape a donut. Add another color to a small amount of the mass and shape glaze. Let it cure for 24 hours so that the oil soaks into the donut. Trim the edges.